To earn money,
Making profit.
make profit. Yes, of course. What else?
To maximize return on investment.
To maximize return on investment. Yes, of course. What else?
For employment.
Employment. Yes. Okay. Let me ask everyone. What is the purpose of business?
I have to earn profits.
Earn profit,
Growth.
growth,
Making money.
making money,
Continuous growth.
continuous growth. I think both of you have answered. Okay, sir.
Continuous growth.
Continuous growth,
Brand.
brand,
Profit.
profit,
Same, earn money.
earn money,
Maximize the profit.
maximize the profit,
Ensure profits.
ensure profit,
Make money.
to make money,
To increase the profit.
to increase the profit,
For profits.
profit,
Financial growth and employment.
financial growth and employment,
Empowering nation.
empowering nations. Okay, very good.
Profit.
Profit,
Profit.
profit,
To take risk.
to take risk,
Employment.
employment. Now let me tell you, my question is very clear. My question is, what is purpose of a business? And let me tell you at this point in time, जरा इसको समझ के लेना. Purpose of a business and the purpose for which a person starts a business are completely different. Yes or no?
Yes.
समझ रहे हैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? बहुत बहुत गहरी बात बोल रहा हूँ. एक बिजनेस का मकसद क्या है और जिस मकसद के लिए एक आदमी बिजनेस चालू करता है, दोनों में फर्क है. एक आदमी बिजनेस चालू करता है शुरू में अपना पेट भरने के लिए, और जब उसका पेट भरना भर जाता है तो फिर उसको लगता है कि मैं कुछ और बड़ा करूं. तो दो तरह के आदमी होते हैं. एक आदमी सोचता है कि मैं ऐसा बड़ा करूं ताकि मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं, और एक आदमी होता है कि मैं ऐसा बड़ा करूं ताकि मैं दुनिया में फ़र्क ला सकूं. आर यू विद मी एवरीबॉडी? राइट. तो दोनों में फ़र्क है. एक आदमी सोचता है कि मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं कि मैं क्या हूं, तो विजय मल्ल्या, नीरव मोदी, मेहुल चौकसी, नाउ दोज पीपल फॉल इनटू दिस कैटेगरी कि जिनको लगता है कि मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं. फॉर देम प्रॉफिट इज द ओनली मोटिव. कैसे भी आए आना चाहिए, चोरी करके आए, डाका डाल के आए, फ्रॉड करके आए, आना चाहिए. और दूसरी कैटेगरी में कौन से लोग हैं जो बिजनेस चालू करते हैं कि पहले अपना पेट भरे, परिवार का पेट भरे, उसके बाद में उनको लगता है कि नहीं यार, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक डिफरेंस इन द लाइव्स ऑफ द पीपल ऑन दिस अर्थ.
People planet profit.
People, planet and profit, right? And that is that is what the whole world is talking about. And who falls into this category?
Ratan Tata.
People like Ratan Tata, people like Jamshedji Tata, people like Ghanshyam Das ji Birla, people like Azim Premji, people like Narayan Murthy, and so many of them, because we can go on talking about them. There's so many of them. So we need to be very clear as to what is purpose of a business. And let me tell you friends, अगर हमको लगता है कि purpose of a business is to make profit, we are completely wrong. And why do I say that we are completely wrong? And I say because I say that we are completely wrong, and that is because if the purpose of a business was to make profit, then you will not see a company called Apple. Why? Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, the founders of Apple, started making profit within 1 or 2 years of their operations. And they would have said, purpose of a business is to make profit. I have made profit. Purpose is achieved. Let me close the business. If the purpose of a business was to make profit, you would not see a group called Googles. Why? Larry Page, Sergey Brin, the promoters of Google, started making profit within first few years of their operations. And they would have said the same thing. Purpose of a business is to make profit. We have made profit. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. And if the purpose of a business was to make profit, you would not hear of a group called Tatas. Why? Jamshedji Tata, even before thinking in terms of steel plant and power plant and the Institute of Sciences in Bangalore, he had earned enough money from all his generations. And he would have said, I have earned enough profit for all my generations to come. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. So please remember, if the purpose of a business was to make profit, all this would not have happened. So why do I say that purpose of a business is not to make profit? That is because making profit in business is mandatory. Making profit in business is compulsory. Making profit in business is non-negotiable. Making profit in business is not a matter of choice. It is not a matter of an option. If we are in business, we better make profit. And as a matter of fact, if I am in business, if you are in business and you are not making profit, least that you can do is to hand that business over to someone who can make profit out of it. And that is why I say that making profit is mandatory. Profit अगर आप business में तो आपको बनाना ही बनाना है, कोई choice ही नहीं है. Then what is the purpose of a business? And then the purpose of a business is create value. Purpose of a business is to create value. Now please remember, making profit is like eating food. ध्यान से सुनना. Making profit in business is like eating food. Purpose of life is not to eat food, yes or no?
Yes.
But food we still have to eat. That means purpose of life is something much bigger than merely eating food. And same is the case, purpose of a business is much bigger than merely making profit. Profit you have to make. Then what is the purpose of a business? And purpose of a business is to create value. And as Lopa ji very rightly said, today आज की तारीख में पूरी दुनिया में लोग बात कर रहे हैं किस चीज की? ट्रिपल पी. So what is triple P? Triple P is profit, people and the planet. Right? So you don't focus only on profit, you also focus on people and you also focus on planet. And please remember, why focus on planet? And this is what we all need to understand, and that is because remember, in life, for taking care of all the challenges, you will have a plan B, you will have a plan A, you will have a plan B, and you will have a plan C. But remember, in life, in reality, we do not have planet B, we only have a planet A. And that means what? That means purpose and the responsibility of every business is also to take care of the planet. Why? Because ये जो planet हमको मिला है, जिस पर हम आज रह रहे हैं, remember ये हमारी बापती नहीं है, ये हमारी legacy नहीं है, ये हमको inherit नहीं है, ये हमारे पास में पिछली generations का दिया हुआ कर्जा है, जो कि हमको safe condition में आगे आने वाली generations को pass on करना है. And that awareness is today felt all over the world. And please remember, no big science, no rocket science, no big deal. Why? Because this is hardcore reality. अगर planet ही नहीं रहेगा तो फिर हम लोग कहाँ से रहेंगे, right? And that is what is sustainability. So today everybody is talking in terms of value creation. And what is value creation? This is what is value creation. Value creation का मतलब क्या है कि ये plant को better condition में छोड़ के जाओ than in which you had got it. So अगर मैं और simplify करूँ what is value creation? Value creation का मतलब है to make this world a better place to live today than what it was yesterday. And that is what is value creation in simple words. Today the whole world is talking about. और मैं आपको बताऊं कि लोगों की बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी है, जिनको लगता है कि अगर हम people पर फोकस करेंगे, planet पर फोकस करेंगे तो हमारे प्रॉफिट का क्या होगा. हकीकत ये है, पूरी दुनिया में रिसर्च बताती है, the businesses who focus on people, businesses who focus on planet, they do much better than the businesses who do not focus on planet and the people. For your information, and this is what you all should know, because you are business heads, and as business heads, remember, today you may have units which are smaller in size, but God willing, in the times to come, you will have huge plants that you would be managing. Vision क्या होता है ये आपको बताता हूँ मैं, because we all need to work with the vision. Jamsetji Tata, in the year 1902, thought of setting up 3 plants in this country. I remember in 1902, as I said earlier, Jamsetji Tata ने इतना सारा पैसा कमा लिया था from the textile business and from the export business, that money was more than sufficient for all his generations to come. But in 1902, he thought of 3 plants. And what was those 3 plants? Those 3 plants, number 1 was the steel plant that we all know as Tata Steel today. Number 2, he thought of power plant, which is known as Tata Power today. And third project that he thought of, and that was Institute of Science in Bangalore that we all are aware. और आपको बताऊं कि 1902 में जमशेद जी टाटा ने ये 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में सोचा. 1904 में जमशेद जी टाटा की डेथ हो गई. लेकिन जमशेद जी टाटा ने जाने से पहले उन प्रायोरिटीज की इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नींव डाली इन ऑल इज कमिंग टीम एंड जनरेशंस. 1902 में उन्होंने सोचा, 1904 में उनकी मृत्यु हुई. 1906 में टाटा ग्रुप को एक जगह मिली जहां पर वो टाटा स्टील प्लांट डाल सकते थे. फर्स्ट टाइम दे फाउंड आउट द प्लेस वेयर टुडे द टाटा स्टील इज. 1912 में हिंदुस्तान में टाटा स्टील कंपनी ने पहली बार स्टील प्रोड्यूस करी. अब जरा समझ के लीजिए, 1902 में टाटा, जमशेद जी टाटा क्यों सोचते हैं स्टील प्लांट का, क्यों सोचते हैं पावर प्लांट का, क्यों सोचते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंसेस का. नॉट दैट ही वांटेड टू अर्न मोर मनी. जमशेद जी टाटा को लगा विद द एडवेंट ऑफ स्टीम अमेरिका एंड यूरोप वर फ्लरिशिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. और जमशेद जी टाटा को लगा कि अगर हिंदुस्तान में इसको लेके कुछ ना किया गया अभी, तो हिंदुस्तान इकोनॉमिकली इतना बैकवर्ड हो जाएगा कि इसको 400-500 साल लगेंगे रिकवर होने में. एंड विद दैट विजन ही थॉट ऑफ सेटिंग स्टील प्लांट. विद दैट विजन ही थॉट ऑफ सेटिंग अप पावर प्लांट. विद दैट विजन ही थॉट ऑफ सेटिंग अप द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंसेस. And that is what is value creation all about.